This is going to go up or it's going to go down. One of the two. One of the two. It's going to go up or it's going to go down.
This interruption is so powerful that it actually changes the man's brainwave patterns. Using advanced EEG technology, we can literally see the moment when a man's usual mental patterns are disrupted by these specific feminine behaviors. Think about this.
It's on this candle. It's the smallest candle. Let's see how the volume is. Do we have volume here? No volume. Let's add value to this baby right here. Let's see. Here it is, 28, 10, 8, nothing yet, nothing yet. It's on standby. It's on standby. It's gonna crack. It's gonna crack either down or up. I'm betting it's gonna crack up. Right here, 13 by 13, bam. Right there. Let's see if it does it. This is sucks because I cannot see. If I can't see, I cannot think. And if I cannot think, I cannot work. I cannot play.
External circumstances. Think about this for a minute. When most people encounter stress or challenges, their energy immediately shifts. They become reactive, their heart rate variability decreases, and they start emanating what we call incoherent energy.
And we're at the midpoint, just at the midpoint.
Research, we've seen that these women maintain what we call heart coherence, even in challenging situations. Imagine a woman who stays completely centered and calm when everyone else is losing their emotional balance. This isn't just attractive, it's literally irresistible to the male brain. Why? Because the male nervous system is specifically designed to detect and respond to this kind of emotional stability. Let me share a real example from our workshops. We had a participant, let's call her Sarah, who was constantly seeking validation from men. Her energy was always shifting based on their responses. Through our work together, she learned to maintain her energetic sovereignty. The transformation was remarkable. Within weeks, she noticed men responding to her differently. They weren't just attracted, they were magnetically drawn to her presence. Here's the science behind it. When you maintain coherent energy, you're actually affecting the electromagnetic field.
I lost it. I let it go. See? 58. Let's do it real quick. 16, right? 16 and we go for that? No, we lost it. For not paying attention. That's your fault. It's your fault. You lost it. That was you. That was you. That is you. That is always you.
Consciously generate what we call elevated emotional states. They're not just avoiding negative emotions, they're active.
Damn, man. I had it.
Emotional states like joy and inner peace. This isn't about
We're going to this one right here.
putting on a fake smile.
Let's see.
It's developing real emotions. These women
709. I'm going to be part of this. Part of this. Let me see this. These dudes are not back yet. Or maybe I have them on.
We've come a long way to the downside. We saw one on Friday. Monday, a big down day, adding a bunch of
Excuse me.
open interest, getting a little bit too short in the
Pardon me,
hole
pardon
here,
me. Don't
and
don't
we're seeing
don't kill
much
me just
return. I'm
because of
not
that.
saying
I'm
that this
human
move
too.
to
I
the
make
downside is
mistakes.
over, but we're
Let's
starting to
see
see
what we got.
situations where
What we
traders are
got.
getting trapped short.
635,
We're
man.
seeing,
That was
I don't
15
think,
freaking points, man.
huge inventory adjustment in
Oh, the
longer
new
time
candle.
frame traders.
The new candle
The
is.
adults are in the room,
Oh, it
folks.
went
They are
up. The new
watching.
candle
They
went
are
up.
involved. I don't think that they're in
The
the
new
room here
candle
yet
went up.
in a big way. Take a look at the daily on the S&Ps now. Do we have excess? Boy, we had a lot of excess
Oh, I went.
yesterday. We've got even more excess now. So this long shadow on the daily chart, look at what happened in the past. Long shadow on the daily chart. Long shadows on the daily charts. Kind of a long shadow there. Long shadow here. Long shadow here. That was the last time we tested down to the 200 session moving average. We tested below it, but we are not seeing a lot of acceptance on the daily chart down there. So maybe some good things coming. A lot of that depends on the uncertainties and the word tariff. They keep saying that. Nice recovery in crude oil today. We had information that, of course, OPEC was going to be increasing their output. 30-minute chart. Where do we get to? Well, we got to a naked point of control down here at 66.89. Visual target. Buyers started to come in, and we've taken out the initial balance high here on the 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock bar, and right back to last week's low. So it'll be interesting to see how these markets finish out this week. We're seeing some volatility. We're seeing some opportunities. But lately, my favorite market has been gold. All right. We had the island bottom. Nice update yesterday. What did we add? Estimated. No real change in open interest yesterday. Interesting. Take a look at the 30-minute chart. All right. Opening range. Look to the upside. Did not continue. Really wanted to look for the short here. Maybe we were a little bit too long, but what didn't happen today? What does happen and what doesn't happen is equally as important as what does. We weren't able to close the gap. We were not able to close the gap to yesterday's range, session range, or settlement. That to me is a bullish signal. Now, talk about bullish signals. Take a look on the 5-minute chart. Now, I don't really cotton too much to this particular head and shoulders pattern. To me, a head and shoulders pattern is kind of a reversal pattern, and price moved up. Then we put in the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Doesn't mean it's not going to work. We also have the cup and handle, which is already continuing to move to the upside. So while gold settles at 1230, let's take a look at where settlement is likely to be. 1230. So 1230. Settlement is likely to be right around 2920. And look what's happened since then. We've had quite a bit of continuation, more buying coming in, low volume, of course, but this would be what I would be looking for after being unable to close that gap to yesterday's range and settlement. That's it for the afternoon recap. I hope you've had a good trading day. Hope you've learned something. Had some very good conversations on Top Step TV today. I hope you've been here to take advantage of that. Don't go away though. We do have Power Hour coming up. We've got Andre and Dolby, and Isaac Rivera is back on the Power Hour here now. A live funded account with 265 trading days under its belt. Under his belt, Isaac has been making money. Past couple of days, locking in $3,000 yesterday on the E-mini S&Ps. Isaac is a good trader, folks. Stick around. Let's see if we can get some good trades for the house account. Stick around. We'll be here in just a couple of minutes. Let's go.
Yes. Yes.
Makes them feel truly seen and heard, often for the first time. Neuroplasticity research supports this. Every time you practice present moment awareness, you're strengthening new neural pathways. Over time, this becomes your default state. You don't have to try to be present, you simply are. And this natural, effortless presence is what creates such a powerful attraction. Remember, this isn't about using presence as a technique to attract someone. It's about cultivating genuine present moment awareness as a way of being. The attraction that results is just a natural consequence of operating at this higher level of consciousness. When you're fully present, you become like a still point in a chaotic world. And this stillness has an almost gravitational pull on the male psyche. Third pattern that creates undeniable attraction lies in understanding and mastering the personal energy field. This isn't metaphysical speculation. It's hardcore science that we can measure and validate in our labs. Your heart generates the largest electromagnetic field in your body, radiating several feet beyond your physical form. And this field directly impacts everyone around you. Let me share something extraordinary from our heart-brain coherence research. A woman masters her personal energy field. Her heart starts producing.
Wow, look how he's playing with people here. This thing is playing with people here.
Especially men. The male cardiovascular system is particularly sensitive to these coherent heart fields. In our studies, we've documented fascinating phenomena. When a woman maintains high coherence, her electromagnetic field becomes so powerful that it can synchronize the heart rhythms of people up to 6 feet away. Think about that.
Why did I get these results? Because I concentrated. I concentrated on the task at hand.
Biological systems around you. The science behind this is revolutionary. Your heart's electromagnetic field carries emotional information. When you're experiencing elevated emotions like gratitude, appreciation, or joy, this information is
This baby is going to 700. It's going to 700 for real. 704. So let's get with the program. Let's get with the big boys. Look at the big boys. 640 right now, right? 07, 08.
The strongest when she's maintaining what we call sustained coherent state. The impact on interpersonal dynamics is profound. When you learn to consciously manage your heart field, coherence, you create what we call an attractor field. This isn't about manipulation, it's about broadcasting a clear, coherent signal that naturally draws others toward your energy. Men are particularly responsive to this because their nervous systems are designed to detect and respond to these subtle electromagnetic cues. Here's what the scientific validation shows us. Using sophisticated EEG equipment, we can see that when someone enters the coherent field of a person maintaining high heart coherence, their brain patterns begin to shift. The frontal lobes become more synchronized. Stress hormones decrease, and the nervous system moves into a more balanced state. But here's the key. This isn't just about being calm or peaceful. It's about maintaining coherent energy, even in challenging situations. Women who master this pattern learn to generate what we call resilient coherence. Their field stays strong and stable regardless of external circumstances.
We're going up.
This is incredibly attractive to the male brain, which is constantly scanning for signs of emotional security. The electromagnetic studies show something else fascinating. When you maintain coherent energy, your field becomes more organized and less chaotic. This organized field has a measurable impact on the biological systems of those around you. It's like creating an island of
Se fue ese hijo.
Order filled.
Let's see how that's gonna
Times when
fare
you've got
out.
a ransom just feels good to be near. That's coherent energy in action. Now imagine being able to consciously generate and maintain that feeling.
Oh,
This isn't
64.
about
Maldita
creating
sea,
something
hombre, for
different.
chasing.
It's about
For
amplifying the
chasing,
natural
chasing, man.
coherence to maintain the system. Personal energy field is broadcasting 4/7.
Order filled.
Every emotion, every state you maintain is being transmitted
Oh,
to
he
this
feel me
field.
more.
When you master this,
Crap.
you're not just changing how you
No.
feel, you're literally changing the energy you're contributing to every environment you enter. And fourth pattern, this is where everything changes. Most people are addicted to lower emotional states without even realizing it.
He feel me
Addicted
more.
to stress.
He feel me 6.
Feeling not good enough. The women who master
5,
this, they've learned something
4,
how to break free from these emotional
5,
addictions
right here, man.
and sustain
5.
emotional
I
states.
made a mistake.
Here's the process.
I want out. I want out.
Experience emotion.
I want out, please. I want out.
Most people are stuck in what we call
66. Oh, this is not my cup of tea. 650. Oh, good. 650. 650. 69 at 650. Oh my God.
joy to re-energize, literally rewire your brain's chemistry. Your body starts producing what we call elevated emotional signatures. These signatures aren't just feelings, they're measurable changes in your biology. In our research laboratories, we've seen something remarkable. When women learn to sustain these elevated states, their brain chemistry dramatically shifts. The stress hormones, cortisol, and adrenaline decrease, while beneficial chemicals like serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin increase. This
Order filled.
a biological
Order filled.
of attraction, the state that
Order filled.
I'm off. Because he feel me and then he feel me back.
Now here's what makes this pattern so powerful. It's not performing or pretending. Many women try to appear happy or confident.
Order filled.
The male brain can detect inauthenticity instantly. This pattern is about creating real, sustainable joy from within. It's about breaking the addiction to lower emotions and replacing them with authentic, elevated states. Let me share a case from our advanced
Where are we?
workshops.
66?
We had a participant who was constantly
We
cycling
are
through
78
anxiety
from
and
70.
self-doubt.
Oh my God.
Through brain training and emotional reconditioning, she learned to break these patterns. The transformation wasn't just internal.
Order filled.
Men started responding to her differently. Why? Because she was no longer broadcasting the frequency of need or anxiety. She was emanating authentic joy and inner fulfillment.
This is
Neuroplasticity evidence is clear. When you consistently maintain elevated emotional states, you create new neural networks. Your brain literally rewires itself.
this don't matter. What matters is here. 4,
This
5,
isn't positive
5,
thinking, it's biological
5.
transformation. We can see these
Got
changes
5.
on brain scans, showing increased activity in areas associated with stress and fear. And here's something fascinating. When you maintain these elevated states, you activate what neuroscientists call the pleasure centers of your brain. But unlike artificial stimulation, this activation is sustainable. You're not chasing external validation or temporary highs. You're creating a stable, elevated baseline that becomes your new normal. Think about this. Most people are walking around broadcasting frequencies of stress, worry, and lack. But when you master this pattern, you're broadcasting frequencies of joy, abundance, and inner fulfillment. The contrast is so stark that it creates what we call a pattern interruption in the male brain. They can't help but notice because it's so rare and so genuine. This isn't about suppressing negative emotions or maintaining a false positive facade. It's about understanding that you have the power to choose your emotional state, to break old addictive patterns, and to create new elevated baselines. When you master this, you become what we call an emotional anchor, someone whose presence naturally elevates the emotional state of others. remember, every emotion has a specific frequency. When you consistently operate at higher emotional frequencies, you become like a tuning fork, helping others resonate at these higher levels too. This is particularly powerful in male-female dynamics because men are naturally drawn to authentic emotional elevation. Now let's bring all these patterns together into a coherent system of transformation.
Wow, mano, yo todo lo que he esperado por esto.
Present moment mastery, personal field coherence, and elevated emotional states, something extraordinary happens. These patterns don't just
What
add
happened to the
together,
A?
they multiply.
It didn't
Creating
register?
what we call a quantum leap in personal magnetism.
Oh my God, Antonio, you're gonna let it go? What you gonna do?
Morning by calibrating your energy
This is pathetic, man.
focusing on generating those elevated emotional states we talked about. This isn't just meditation, it's reconfiguring your entire electromagnetic field for the day ahead. Throughout the day, use what we call pattern anchors. These are specific moments when you check in with your presence, your energy field, and your emotional state. It might be every time you look at your phone, every time you walk through a doorway, or every time you interact with someone new. These anchors help you maintain consistent coherence.
Order filled.
Transformation markers are measurable. In our research, we track several key indicators: heart rate variability patterns, brainwave coherence, stress hormone levels, and electromagnetic field strength. When you're practicing these patterns consistently, we see specific changes.
Order filled.
Your heart rhythm becomes more ordered. Your brain waves show increased gamma activity, and your field becomes more coherent. Scientific evidence is compelling. Using advanced monitoring equipment, we can actually see the moment when someone shifts into this integrated state. Their brain patterns change, their heart field becomes more organized, and their presence becomes more magnetic. This isn't subjective, it's a measurable biological change. And look for these specific signs of transformation. First, you'll notice people responding to you differently, particularly men. They'll maintain longer eye contact, lean in when you speak, and seem more engaged in your presence. Second, you'll find yourself naturally maintaining elevated states even in challenging situations. Third, you'll notice synchronicities increasing, meaningful coincidences that seem to align with your intentions. Remember, this integration isn't about perfection, it's about progression. Every time you practice these patterns, you're strengthening new neural pathways and creating more coherent energy fields. The transformation becomes exponential as these patterns reinforce each other. Right now, in this moment, you stand at the threshold of transformation. Close your eyes and connect with your future self, the woman who has mastered these patterns, who moves through life with unshakable presence, who naturally
Order filled.
attraction without effort. That future self isn't just a possibility, it's a biological inevitability when you commit to these practices. Your brain is designed for this evolution. Every time you practice these patterns, you're not just changing your behavior, you're literally changing your biology. You're creating new neural networks, generating coherent electromagnetic fields, and elevating your consciousness to new levels of being. Think about this. A year from now, you could be operating from an entirely new baseline. Your presence could be so powerful, so authentic, that attraction becomes effortless. Men won't just be drawn to how you look or what you say, they'll be magnetically attracted to your energy field, your presence, your elevated state of being. The science is clear. These
And it's extended up
transformations are
higher.
real and
Now,
measurable. We can see them on brain scans, measure them in heart rhythms, and observe them in electromagnetic field patterns. But the most profound evidence will be in your lived
What is where's in business here?
response to you, in the
Interesting.
opportunities that
What the
naturally flow
Gemini?
your way, in the relationships that align with your elevated state. Remember, this isn't
50 AM power hour.
someone different. It's about awakening what's already
keen of, and then just kind of ride that move. When it's got momentum, you either watch it go without you or you just jump on.
The Latino from Florida.
It's hard. No one really has that tool in their toolbox, just to YOLO along on a trend day. Just like, yeah, I'll throw a wide stop and just let it cook.
You're here. Looking for big orders on the ladder. Yeah, new highs. ES, new highs, NASDAQ. 58.64 in the orders.
That 97. Oh
NASDAQ
my God, that would have put me over the top, man.
Well, all right, there it is. 20,700.
Can you do it?
2's trade. We are off to the races, to the upside.
Oh my goodness.
No, I thought we were going to touch the 20,000 evens for a minute.
They're looking for like consolidations on like 1 minute charts.
Step into it fully, completely,
Crazy.
I can call the high though.
I have never reached a
I'm
one.
Any long one.
50K account.
And watch this.
711s. New highs in the NASDAQ. 700 point turnaround. 650 point turnaround in the last 4 hours. Just incredible. New highs ES. Go.
What's our above below?
What are we gonna do, Antonio? Antonio.
Isaac, what is the above below? Pick a price.
This freaking thing.
On what, NAS or S&P?
S&P's. Well,
not
yesterday.
happening here.
We're gonna say 58.58.
Okay. Above below. 58.58 in the ES. 58. Let's trade 58.68. Okay. Let's see if we get there. Pull up there.
Who do we get long?
Well, yeah. Isaac. Trying to go the trend. How deep of a pullback do you look for to get in? I mean, the ES, we're talking what, 4 points maybe?
I was in like 5 to 8 points. I think anything like that. Again, when you have strong upward movement like we are seeing right now, right? Let's look at the last
Go here,
right? We got
to 949. Is that where you're going? 949.
I mean, this was
Wow.
This is 20 points, 92 to basically 22. I don't know. In this environment, you can expect slightly bigger pullbacks. This one, we have 30 up to 50. That's 20 points. So, no, I mean, on a day like today, I'd look for 10 to 12 points worth of pullback minimum to jump in if you're going long.
All right. Let's see if we can get long 691s.
Yeah. They want to pull back there. Okay.
There's just no pullbacks. Like 20-point pullbacks. This is so hard.
Guys, yes.
We are way above our area.
Guys, NASDAQ now 730s trade. Off to the races.
Should have left that runner.
Man, a one lot can just print money today.
Wow. Wow. Oh, day. Amazing. Guys, 731s trade. 732s trade. Yes.
Finger on the horn button.
Oh, wow.
We might get a pullback here off of what's this level? 735s in ES. That's the 50% of the previous range we had before we melted lower on the third.
735.
Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback here.
Every thought you think sends out a signal to the universe.
My goodness.
S&P is just not stopping.
Telling you, we're targeting that value area low from yesterday, 5,900, big psychological number, 15-minute moving average. Clearing the 5-minute moving average, I don't really think there's much more holding us back from getting up to that 5,900 level. Again, it was a little bit under 5,900, but we're just going to make it a 5-point range that we're eyeing.
Did 702s and 691s.
Yup. This last trade 716. Topped out at 732 half. Yes, topped out at 58.75 in the orders. 6-point pullback, if you will.
What should I do? Time to decide. What should I do?
Hundreds.
What should one do in this situation?
Okay.
$75 to get to 7,
That's incredible action.
or $6 to get to 51.
Ideal. Shorts are happy. Longs are happy.
I am against the
Everyone
wall.
should have been able to make money today. Range traders,
Ladies and
momentum
gentlemen,
traders,
Antonio
the
is
market's
against the
truly for
wall.
everybody.
Let's look at the big picture.
Wait.
What have you done here to...
700
Holy
test.
crap.
Oh, we're long.
Holy crap, you
okay,
did it!
Also,
You made 1,000 in 2 days.
700s.
Can you make 2,000 in
Nice.
3 days?
70250.
That's the
58.
what's the million dollar
58,
question?
right, Isaac?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
I need to talk to God.
Yep. 700.
Ooh, we have a level there we haven't touched.
15.
Quick
Nope.
response. Let's see if we
Come
can
on.
get above 735.
What would it feel like to have perfect health? What would it feel like to be financially
And
abundant?
Isaac's looking upside in the ES 5892. 5900, Isaac?
5897.
97.
If we can't clear, if we can't clear 8175, we'll just call it 82. If we can't clear
I want to see
5882,
something.
then this is turning around, and at the very least, we're going to be targeting, you know, the 5860 to 5855 area down below.
This one is not doing it.
Look on the ladder here. Not seeing big orders on the NASDAQ
This one
ladder.
is not
Yes,
doing
still.
it. They both the same.
And saw it 1800 lot earlier. I was on the bid. It's working out nicely. Poll up in the chat. Will ES end the day above, below 58.58? What do you say? That says.
More attuned to these signs. You start to notice synchronicities, those little coincidences that seem
All right, let this
Go.
cook.
maybe
Yep.
you think of someone and they call you
712. Look at the tilt. Isaac, how we looking on the delta?
or you overhear a conversation.
Right now, we are at positive 21,300-ish.
You're on the right track.
Wow.
Confirmations from the universe that it's heard
All right, long 2 at 697.
but you have to be open to
7
receive
plus
them.
2.
You have to
All right.
trust that they're there. Brings us to another important point.
See if we can sell one at 731s. Let the other one run.
Yourself up to receiving more. It's like
Yeah,
telling
after
the
the bell.
universe,
Anything after the bell
"Hey,
today?
I really appreciate everything
Nothing
you've
really.
given me. I'm
Nope.
ready for more."
This is just
Good
trading,
response.
pure trading right now. Power Hour, Top Step TV, closing in on 149,000 subscribers.
Think of three
On the march to 150,000.
Feel the gratitude
Like,
in
click
your
subscribe,
heart. Let it
follow.
fill you up.
Really
And
appreciate it.
carry
Right now,
that
all
feeling with
focus
you
on the
everywhere you
markets.
go. Now I know what some of you might be thinking.
Incredible price action today.
Joe, what about
20,695.
Really good.
do something to make our dreams come true? You're absolutely right.
Man, is this gonna roll over now? That would be brutal.
Things to happen or struggling
It's a
against
gain of ticks.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm getting the ticks that I need right now.
to happen. The right actions will become clear.
Let's see. This feels different for some reason. I don't know why.
Steps.
What?
Be in the right place
I don't know.
at
Just
the right
it
time.
feels like
Sell?
it wants to roll over. Yeah,
Themselves to you.
I think we're gonna get stopped on this one.
Inspired
Profit
action.
taking.
It's not about
It's just
Bottom of the hour
above
incoming.
50%.
natural current
Yeah.
of life.
We got MOC
Following your intuition, trusting your gut.
in 20 minutes.
When you're taking inspired action, it doesn't feel like work.
Ben,
It feels like
Ben,
play. It feels
Anything
like
on the
doing
wire,
something
Eddie? Is
you
Williams
really
done?
want to be doing.
We're stopped.
No,
Damn.
indication that he is,
Let's talk about
but
expectations.
I haven't seen
This is
anything.
where so many people trip up. They say
Last
they want
was a comment from economic advisor Hassett.
it's possible.
Okay.
They have doubts,
Headlines.
fears,
Headline-driven trade right now.
beliefs that hold them back. When you
We're
truly
out.
expect something to happen,
Stopped out. All
I
right.
saw that.
that's when the universe moves mountains to make it happen. And the key to
Yes. What's
expectations
that?
You guys have
Yes.
any idea what's prompting this run up?
My name is
Or
Antonio
is that
Valentin,
in
and
the
I'm
area
closing
in
the real
ES?
trade for now. So this is what I'm doing right here,
Like,
right
one thing
now.
we could look at, like,
I'm
you look at
touching
Friday's,
this.
activity
I'm
session
playing
towards
the
tail end of the session, right? Really
half
going into,
hour. I
power
don't
hour,
care.
basically.
I'm
You
gonna
know, Trump starts
lock
talking
that
about,
in,
you know,
just like
having
Dakota does,
reserves
just like
for
other traders do.
cryptos,
They
right?
lock it in and they move on.
Pump, right?
Now,
So
you
I
want to
actually
keep
have it
playing?
here on my
You go to
phone, so
your
I draw the
practice
bottom
account. You want to
Like
build
Joe.
that up.
So kind of
You
some
know how you do it.
sideways-ish trading,
You've done it before.
right? We,
You
go
go
ahead
here,
and we
you
get some of
prove
that
5,
crypto talk, and it just
short,
really pumps us.
Order
really
filled.
You look
high
over
up
here,
into
you
my
got
standard area
54
of
on
interest
the
at,
deck, you
to
got
the
45 on the deck.
Friday
Order
by
filled.
quite
Here
a
we
bit.
go.
And then
See?
you can see through the
528.
weekend,
You want more? I give you
obviously
more.
trading
Order
sideways.
filled.
And of course,
Order fill,
yesterday
right?
we talked about Canada,
Red,
Mexico,
red,
right?
green,
Tariffs,
green,
tariffs,
red,
tariffs.
red, green, green,
And
green,
then
green.
Order
Nice
filled.
thing,
everything
you
that
know,
we had
lot of
gained
fill.
from that
Just like that.
crypto,
You want to play it?
Order
reserve
You could
filled.
do it too. How?
is given back, right?
Oh,
And then we
simple.
go into some
You
more of
only
that stuff
do
and from
5.
there today,
Order
profits
filled.
sell off
Boom.
lower. I'm
600.
trying to figure out what
Bam.
Order filled.
get
Order
back
fill. Come
those
on, come
inside
on.
of
Time to
session
sell.
ranges
Why? You
for
see this one,
Monday and for
24.
Friday.
24, 16, 24, 16.
Down 100.
Order
casual,
filled.
100
Damn.
points in
Look
the
at 7.
NASDAQ.
How are we?
Trying to get short
71
now, I
over
guess.
here. You want to get
Yeah, 30
72? I'll get you
points.
72.
Hold
Watch.
That's just
10.
a burp in the NASDAQ.
And we're going to
It's crazy.
It
do,
really is.
change
It really,
this
really is.
to
I'm gonna pay attention to this initial
no
balance
setup
high
there.
area though.
this one right
So
here.
some
What price,
Bam.
Isaac?
support.
We are in practice.
Initial
Why?
balance high
Because
is
we
we're just gonna
cannot
call it
trade the real
25.
account. Why? We locked
And
out.
then of
Why?
course
Because
have,
we made 634.
37,
So now we
which we're
practice
very
because
close to
practice
approaching,
makes
which was
perfect. And
today's
like,
upper level. So you can see we try to break out of my extended area of interest to the upside. We rejected up there.
okay, let's see.
Came
Any,
down. I was
nothing
looking
here.
more specifically, like I said, that
609. 94, 94. Oh, very
missed
good.
that by like 3 or 4 points, and now we're
Look at
dumping.
this go.
No,
We're
no, no,
gonna
no.
take this down
Come on.
about
Hold on, 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 hold on. Hold on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, how many? 12 there. Red, red, red. Oh, yeah. Let's do
Right
it.
today, the NASDAQ 20,732 made about 10 minutes ago.
Order
We're now currently
filled.
trading 20,593.
Okay, so we're in. Short, 87. Any numbers here?
58.75.
86.
58.35. Yes.
87,
40 points off the high
90.
that were just put in.
Come on,
Continue
baby.
to sell off here. Man.
Wow.
Yep. Overnight VWAP in the ES 58.03.
97.
VWAP in the NASDAQ.
Do we want 97? No, we want
20,364.
3
Still some room to go.
right here.
Sellers
And we want the 5.
control
See if we
right
can
now.
look for some shorts.
Since we're going for $800, we're going to put it somewhere here.
5.
70, looking
Just a
good. Do
relative
we have
pair
a
off there,
70 here?
Isaac.
No, we
Order
don't have it.
filled.
We have an 80. So we going for
Not much.
3.
19,500,
Yeah.
but
Oh.
it's dropping.
3
Dropping. We're almost
Selling.
at that initial
3.
balance high.
Order
short.
filled.
So we down. We are 5 short
Like
from
600s, man.
584.
700.
5 short from 584.
I know.
We're
Order
looking to
filled.
make
Minutes.
400. We need
Now we're
600.
talking
We
about
need
$600.
$600. How
$500.
can we make $600? Let's think. Let's think.
Order
Let's
filled.
shout.
Yes,
Let's
trade
do this
20,000.
crowd.
Order filled.
6,
Order filled.
9, 9, 9.
That's
Nine.
200 points.
Somewhere
And
here.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
I order field the other
I
way.
think it's
Slow.
interesting that the
Close
5-minute
position.
moving average
Close position.
Order
over the
filled.
course
Oh
of
my
this session
goodness.
has now met
So
that
now
upper level,
we need
and
300 more to make this 72. How can we do it? How can we do it? Come on, you know how to do it. We're gonna do 10 to make how much?
I wouldn't necessarily jump right into a short. I'd wait to see if we come
We
up
need
and
how much
test
we
that
need?
upper level and
250
that
bucks.
one time as
So we're gonna go in
cross over, and
two
obviously it flips to resistance
two
at that
bundles.
point. So I wait
We
for
go
a
here.
retest, pay
We look.
attention to
Let's
cumulative
look. Let's
delta,
look. Let's
pay
look.
attention
Let's
to
look.
orders in the DOM, book
Let me
map if
look.
you
Let me
watch
see.
it or
Let me
have
see.
it.
We go in here.
And
Do
then
we
if
have
see
an
cumulative delta
offer?
trying to start to
This one
drop
right
off
here.
a little bit more, then that's when I would
490.
go
We're
and
going
jump
to
into a short. That's
490.
when I'd be
No, well,
targeting
not that
something
much,
lower.
but that's where we're going.
Order
Oh,
filled.
this was supposed to be 5. 1
I see any
and
headlines.
2
All right.
and
Order filled.
okay.
Right
So
now.
we are
All
short.
right.
We are short. Where? We are short. Where? 566. 566.
30, last trade.
566.
Yes.
We're looking for somewhere here.
NASDAQ
150 right here. 2,
Wow.
4.
Yep.
We need
Maybe
5.
we can get
One
some
more.
shorts on a
5
pullback,
right there.
maybe like
5.
just under 600.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Let's go.
All right.
60, 70, 50, 40. It's a marathon, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do 3. 3. We could do 3 right here.
It is holding a support. Okay.
Order
And
filled.
it took us all. It took us all. So now we are about. Oh, we still going. Are we long or short? We long. So we need to close. Close right here. Bam.
Order filled.
We made it 72. Like I said, real fast and furious with micros.
From yesterday.
Can we do this? This is a given, man. I love my tactic here. Who knows about that?
Sorry, initial bounce.
Who knows about that? You put 5 here.
This bomb is
You
thin,
put
man. We got like 30 to 40
250, and you want to make
level or each
All right,
tick
we're gonna offer
below.
up 600.
125.
We do have some ass stacking up above.
There we go.
Ass with a K.
Yup.
125.
Yes.
Easy does it.
20,585. You watch these. This is just amazing. That sell off, just so 140 point sell off, 160 point sell off in the S&P's, or I'm sorry, the NASDAQ off the highs there. Bit of a bounce.
Real wiggly
Overtime, perhaps looking for a shorter run.
600.
Big legs.
All right.
Interesting.
Slowly or surely.
Already pulled off.
So what we have here? Come on, give me a low number. Give me a low number. Give me a low 65. Yeah, you giving me 65? Excellent. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We come in here to
We got a headline on the wire
33.
here from Australia talking
5.
about Chinese Navy ships operating northwest of Perth.
Let's wait.
We
Let's
had
wait.
this
Come
same
on.
thing
73,
from New
73,
Zealand.
72,
Seems
73,
like China is
72,
sort of
70. Let's do
hitting
it.
the ocean blue. where
Let's
they
do
like.
it. Come on, 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 come on. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Oh man, it's not gonna pick me up. I'm gonna have to do 3.
Order filled.
There we go. 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 There we go.
It was just a wild day.
I have another one up here. Did I do it short?
I saw somebody in the chat earlier kind of saying that this is giving like 2020.
Okay, come on,
ES
come on,
vibes,
come on,
and
come
I
on,
was
come on,
talking
come on,
about
come on,
that
come
a
on,
little
come on,
bit
come on, come on, come on,
stream.
come on.
You know, people were just like, "This is welcome to
No
Trump's
60.
America equities." I'm like, believe it or not, in my opinion, just because obviously I've been around for a little while, I don't find this much more volatile or even as volatile as like the first year and the first 2 years of his first term. Obviously, COVID was a completely different animal. But looking at, you know,
we
what
get
the markets are
25.
trading
Can
like
we get,
Order
yeah.
filled.
Okay,
12
so
months, I would say
now
that
we
first
are in
18
8.
months of Trump's
What do we
first
do in
term,
that case?
that was a,
We look
this is a
for
walk in the park
100 and
compared to that,
change.
in my opinion. In my opinion. But it
We
is
look for
kind of
100
giving
and
some
change,
2020
which is easy to
ES
do.
vibes the last 2 or 3
3,
sessions.
6,
So we did close
6
under that
at
5-minute moving
230.
average.
Can we get
did go back
230?
up and
Maybe not
retest
because
it.
I was late.
I think if
I
we
was late
break
to the
under
rodeo. I
the
was
initial
late
balance high, then I'd be
to.
interested in taking a small short here.
I'm not fast enough.
Get
Easy.
Order filled.
There we go. Boom.
Order filled.
Oh, boom.
29.
Close.
Defeat to the 25.
Flatten. Okay, we start again. We go in here. We go in here to 490s. How are we going to get
All
there?
you can do is just
Easy.
laugh. I mean,
We're going to get there the same way.
What market?
But we got to start with
What a
5.
treat.
Oh,
Real
5.
great
Let's look
stuff.
over here. Where are we?
40.
At 44,
Yeah,
45.
530
Where are we
is
here?
the-
64. No bueno. Okay.
Now selling off.
So we see, we look. Oh, we could even do market. No, market is too
That's an
volatile.
incredible
So we
opportunity
do.
machine here.
Oh, 50s.
Order
We're losing the
filled.
50s. So we had a 33 somewhere here. 43, 43
Order
coming.
filled.
There we go. We got it again. We are 18. We are
Yeah.
72. We need
Melting.
about $620 to get 73. Can we do it? Yes.
Isaac,
How
gotta
can
hold
we
this
do it?
level, right?
We look over here.
24,
40s,
23s not
40s,
trade.
50s, 40s, 40s.
Hold it.
How long for the candle? 5 minutes. Yeah, we can get here in 5 minutes. So we got to act quickly. Quickly.
Order
5
filled.
plus
Oh, there he
3. Plus 3. Come on. We are
Nope,
in
just
a
reading
41.
Stuff in
If we
real
are
in
time,
a
41,
paying
we-
attention to this cumulative
What?
delta, looking
You
at the
did me
dots
already.
in the order.
Oh, you
One thing I'm
little.
looking forward to getting my live
Okay,
account moved
so let's
over
do it
to
again.
filled.
3
tepX
plus 2.
is being
Plus
able
2.
to see
Where is the
significantly
2?
higher and
Where's the 2?
significantly
Oh,
lower.
well, I'm looking at the
yeah.
wrong place.
Again, you
2.
know,
Join.
Bookmap, if you pay for it, if you
Okay,
watch the free
so
stream
now
on YouTube for Bookmap, that
let's-
helps. There's a little bit of a lag, and when you're talking equities and you're talking big size, a
Here we
few
go.
seconds could be the matter of blowing up an account or
Just
having
like
a
I say,
a
we
nice
coming
windfall.
down hard. I love this.
So yeah, just being
If
able
I
to
was
see
in my
significantly
other
higher, like
account,
one
we
of
would have
my
been in
girls in my
1,000.
stream,
But Antonio
Claire, she
Valentin
had
said,
seen some
hey,
orders sitting up at
3:30,
58.50
don't
at
push
like
it no
11
more.
o'clock this
You were
morning.
lucky once, you
And
were
I
lucky
don't know if that was
twice, you're
ultimately
lucky
pulled or
now.
not, but we were just kind of
Build
having
on
like
your
this
strategy
banter
here.
in our
So
chat
we are
about
building
whether or
on it.
not we were going to be
3,
getting up
we're
to
going to need to add
58.50
2.
or not. And I said,
Let's add
I
2.
think my
Order
extended
filled.
area of
Okay,
interest,
so now we
is
are
at
at
play
5.
today. So
We are
we're about
looking to
place
get
a
this
very,
to
very small- actually,
73.
let's switch out of
How
this
can we
practice
get that to
account into the
73?
combine.
Let's get,
Stand by it.
let's
50K
look
combine.
at the numbers.
We'll do a
500, so
contract.
we need like about 400
This account here teed up. Let's
right
go ahead
here.
and look at 350. 823 half. We'll do one contract. We're going to be looking
Okay.
at I got
300
ATR on the
bucks.
5
Order
minute is
filled.
Holy
currently
crap!
sitting at.
Damn,
Holy
son.
crap!
We have 20. We have about a
We
20.
got
Oh,
to
it looks like I
70.
might have just missed
No,
it. We have a
73.
28
We
point
need
target
73.
effectively based on
Bam,
current
bam.
ATR.
We still got a
So
little
I'm going to
bit
be
of
pushing this target
wiggle
up
room.
30
Let's
points, and we're
do
going to
it.
stick with
Let's
a
do it with
standard 10
5.
point stop on this one.
Ah,
Order
that was
filled.
All right.
fast. Too fast for me.
All right, Eddie, come on in. We'll keep an eye on that trade. Let's
This
get
thing
the
is
sun.
just
Where are you?
Yeah, let's get a quick jab in here before MOC comes in. And I mean, Marcus is just selling off. Eddie, come on in.
Right here,
Make a
125.
nice
All right.
comeback.
Let's
What
take
we
a
got
look
here,
at
what
those
we got here,
traders who are making jab
470.
count.
We got
Remember, jab,
500s,
jab. If you're new here, it's
470.
a strategy that
Let's do
emphasizes patience,
Order
discipline,
filled.
readiness,
4.
success, moving
We do
forward,
5,
whatever it takes
Order
to
filled.
get to
5,
where your goals and
5,
targets are. Early
5.
this morning, PK, I made
Where
2 to 800
we
a day
are at
consistently,
503.
4 to 5 days. That's good enough for me. People focus on trying to get 2K wins, that they lose most trades. Well, you know what?
Let's concentrate so you can listen to me. Listen to me. So we hit that. So now is the 50. The 50. Oh, we have. What is this one called? I think this is settlement. Settlement, which is the teal, and that's at 468. 468 is not too far. 468. 468. 468. 468. Oh, I'll use the other way.
As you're falling asleep at night, view your day and find things to appreciate. And throughout your day, look for
It's only 300. Will 300 get me there? No. But here, we're going to leave it here, right? We're going to leave it here and we're going to shoot for 3 more. Actually 2, because that's usually how I do it. I don't do it in 3s. I do it in 2s. So we got 2 right here. We're going to add. Bam.
Order
We added.
filled.
So now we are at 503. 503 looking for 468. 468 will give us 492. 492 will give us over 73. All right? Let's do this. You asking, do I trade real? Yes, I trade real. How much did you trade real today? 634. What happening now? I have locked out personal 17 more minutes before he goes to live, and it's not going to give me a chance to trade because the market will be closed by that time. Now, let's go back. Boom.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
you.